Hello students, this is a problem under cash flow statement. Here I'll read the problem first and I'll explain you in which activities it will go. There are three activities: operating, financing and investing activities to prepare a cash flow statement. Okay, now we will read the problem first. The following are the summarized balance sheet of a company as on 31st December 2006 and 7. Share capital. Share capital will go for the financing activity. General reserve, this is a transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve will go for the uh, operating activities. Profit and loss will go for the operating activities. Bank loan will go for the financing activity. Sundry creditors and provision for taxation both will go for the um current liabilities. Sundry creditors will go for the current liability. Provision for taxation, you have to see is there any adjustment, then you have to open the account. If there is a tax paid, there is a special in the format it is there to deduct the cash, tax paid, there you have to deduct. Next is land and building. Land and building will go for the investing activity. See here, land and building will go for the investing activity. Machinery will go for the investing activity. Then stock will go for the stock. Then sundry debtors, cash and a bank. These things will go for the current assets. Current assets will go for the operating activities. Goodwill it is uh, purchased goodwill. See from dash to this one. Purchased goodwill will go for the financing activity, but we'll see the adjustment. According to the adjustment we will do. Cash and bank will come at the end. Okay, now see the other adjustment given in the problem. See, these are the adjustment given. Dividend of rupees 23,000 was paid. Okay, so you have to paid dividend will come once in the operating activities. You have to add expenses, then it comes in the investing activity. Assets of another company were purchased for a consideration of 50,000 payable in shares. The following assets were purchased: stock 20,000, machinery 25,000. So what happens is they have purchased another company for consideration. Uh, Assets were purchased for 50,000 and the assets they have paid the money in the form of shares. Okay, 50,000 shares. So here out what they have purchased the asset is stock 20,000 and machinery 25,000. 20 plus 25 it is 45,000. What about 5,000 remaining? It is a goodwill purchased. Okay, it's not mentioned. You have to check the goodwill. Goodwill is purchased, so that 5,000 is a goodwill purchased. Okay, this we have to open the account first. We have to open the assets account, machinery account, stock. We have to adjust there itself. Okay, that I'll explain you. So you have to open the account and accordingly you have to adjust. Machinery account, machinery has further purchase, so you have to open machinery account. Depreciation of machinery, so depreciation you have to charge on machinery. Income tax paid is there, so you have to open provision for taxation account. Loss on sale of machinery 200 was written off to general reserve, so that is transfer to general reserve. So you have to show that what is a loss, and that you have to open the general reserve account. There you have to pass this entry. Okay, so now we will go for the cash flow statement. We can't go directly for the cash flow statement. We have to prepare the working note. Now what are the working note to be prepared is, one is assets account, machinery account we have to open, then share capital account we have to open. Okay, then income tax provision for taxation account we have to open, then general reserve account you have to open. Okay, see share capital account we have to open. See working note you have to write and open the share capital account. Share capital is a credit balance because it is comes on the credit side. So to balance buy balance brought down 2 lakh, to balance carried down 2 lakh 50 thousand. Okay, now in between what about the machinery purchased? Machinery was purchased. Now you have to check the problem. It was 50,000 increase in the shares. Now in that 50,000 machinery purchased 25,000, stock 20,000, goodwill balancing figure This is a balancing figure because these two items were given in the problem. They have issued shares and purchased this, and remaining is a goodwill. Now total is 2,50,000. Again, you have to open the machinery account. Okay, machinery account you have to open and show the opening balance of machinery, closing balance of machinery. Okay, opening balance to balance brought down 1,50,000. Then by balance carried down 1,69,000. Okay, now two share capital by machinery account is two share capital 25,000. Then depreciation charged on a machinery is 12,000. Okay, it is 12,000. Machinery depreciation 12,000. By general reserve is nothing but this thing, a transfer to general or loss on sale. Okay, it is a loss on sale. So it is given in the problems. You check the problem, you will get to know that there was a loss on the machinery which was transferred to general reserve. So that's why it is written here by general reserve. Okay, so opening balance, closing balance. Then they have purchased the machinery using share capital, so two share capital. Then general reserve. Then again the machinery was purchased. If you check the problem, it is given to cash 8,000. Then you have to write the closing balance and close the account. The difference will be transferred to by cash or to cash. Here the balancing figure is by cash, which is 1,800. Okay, so this is a machinery account. Next we have to open land and building account. Land and building account, this we have to open. Why? Because the land and buildings have decreased. Decreased means first option is depreciation. Whether depreciation is there in the problem. If it is not there, then we have to find out the difference and transfer to depreciation. Suppose if the land and buildings value is decreased and depreciation is always also there, then the difference will be transferred to investing activities. Okay, now here there is no depreciation charged, so the difference of reduced difference will be transferred to depreciation account, that is 10,000. Opening balance, closing balance. This is a balancing figure which will transfer to depreciation account. Okay, next we have to open provision for taxation, which is very easy. Now opening balance, you write credit balance by balance brought down 30,000. Then write the closing balance carried down 35,000. Then they have told in the problem that they have created a provision of tax, that is 33,000. So you check the adjustment, it is given in the adjustment. See here where it is see income tax provided is nothing but created, provision created. Okay, so provision created, provision created 33,000. Then find out the difference will be tax paid to income tax paid, that is 28,000. Next we have to open general reserve account because a loss of goods on machinery is transferred to general reserve account. So general reserve account you have to open by balance carried down and to balance brought down, and by balance carried on. You have to write credit, and then there was a loss, so it is to machinery account. When there is a loss, we transfer to a credit debit side to machinery account, loss on sale 200. Now total that and find out the difference will be transferred to profit and loss account. Next comes goodwill account. You have to open goodwill account. Goodwill account, you have to write opening balance to balance brought down asset, it is to balance carried 5,000. Now they have told the difference will be transferred to share capital, so it is purchased to share. It's not been mentioned told in the problem, but assets were purchased in exchange of shares. So assets they have mentioned, it is a stock and machinery. The remaining 5,000 they have not mentioned, which we can take it as a goodwill. But when you observe the problem also, there was a difference of 5,000 in the goodwill, which is a purchased goodwill. So we treated that 5,000 as a purchased goodwill. Okay, now next we have to prepare the cash flow statement. Okay, So after preparing all the account, once you prepare all the account, then it is easy to transfer the amount to the each and every related activity. Okay. Okay, now next we will open see cash flow statement for the year ended 31st December 2007. Now cash flow from operating activities. You have to write here cash flow from operating activities. Now check the profit and loss account balance. What is the balance of profit and loss account? Profit and loss account balance is 30,500 to 30,600. 100 rupees is a balance. So that 100 rupees you have to write here. Hundred increase in the balance of profit and loss account 100 rupees. Then adjustment for non-cash and operating items. If there is any non-cash item or operating items, we have to take that. In that you have to take all the non-operating expense. Usually we loss on sale. Then if it is like depreciation, dividend paid, transfer to general reserve. Okay, all these comes under non-operating activities. So if you check the adjustment, you have depreciation paid once, which is a non-operating. You have to add. Okay, as it is. Then depreciation you will take both land and building and plant and machinery. Provision for taxation, tax provided, it is 33,000. Transfer to general reserve. General reserve you have to see the account. General reserve. Yeah. If you check the general reserve account, you will get transfer to general reserve 10,300. See. Yeah, profit and loss account 10,200. General reserve. Then purchase of stock. If see anything current assets are purchased against the shares, so at that time it is a non-operating expenses because it is a non-cash item. Share is a non-cash item, so we take it here in the operating activities. This is the purchase of stock against issue of shares, the non-cash item. Okay, 20,000 rupees. Operating profit before working capital changes, before the changes in working capital, it is 1,08,300. 1,08,300 is a adjustment for operating activities. Okay, next comes a non-operating expenses. I mean all the current liabilities will come here, current assets and current liabilities. If there is a decrease in stock resulting decrease in working capital, decrease in working capital you will write as it is. Say decrease in stock, decrease in debtors, you check the amount, it has declined. A decline means a decrease. So decrease in working capital resulting decrease in current assets resulting decrease in working capital. So you write as it is. When there is an increase, say decrease in creditors result in an increase in working capital. So when there is an increase in working capital, you have to write in bracket. Okay, whenever there is an increase in working capital, you have to write in a bracket. Okay, so there was a but when it is current liabilities, it is just opposite. If there is a decrease, you have to write in a bracket. If there is an increase, you have to write as it is. Okay, next is you will get cash flow generated from operating operation 1,35,000. This is 1,08,300 plus 26,000 plus 15,800 minus 14,800. You will get 1,35,300 less income tax paid. Income tax paid, you can refer the working note. You will get income tax paid because as per the rules we are going, after generation of operation you have to deduct income tax paid, which is 28,000. Next you will get cash flow from operating 1,07,300. Next comes the cash flow from investing activities. Investing activities, all the plant and machinery, building, all those comes. Building is the difference we have taken as a depreciation, so there is no land and building purchased. Next we have machinery purchased for other than the issue of shares. Other than the issue of shares, they have purchased one asset that you have to show, that is purchases 8,000. You check the account, you will get to know. Then there is a sale of machinery 1,800. 800. See, purchase of machinery, you just check the account. See, purchase of machinery, it is a balancing figure. Say machinery purchased 8,000. Okay, other than share purchase, share capital it is 25,000. It is a machinery purchased 8,000 rupees. That you have to show here. Purchase of this thing. Then sale of machinery also there, 1,800. Yeah, see, sale, that is balancing figure, the 7,800. Okay, net cash flow from investing activities 6,200 in the bracket. Next, cash flow from financing activities. Financing activities. Payment of bank loans. If there is any payment of bank loans, we have to cash flow from investing activities, you will get a minus 6,200 because 1,800 positive, 8,000 negative. So if you take LUDS 6,200. Next comes in financing activities. In the financing activities, you will write all the payment, share capital, redemption, all those things. So usually bank loans paid. You check the liability side of the problem. You will get say bank loan 72 dash 0, it means paid. So bank loan paid, you have to write it is in the bracket, bank loan paid. Next, dividend paid also in bracket. Okay, after the total and write 93,000, which is invest financing activities. Then at the end, taking all operating, investing and financing activity, all the activities, you will get the balance as 8,100, that is positive balance. Then add cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the year, that is opening cash and cash balance. See here, cash and cash. Yeah, cash it is opening cash it is 500, bank it is dash. Closing is 8,600, that is cash 600 and 8,000 bank. So you have to add first 500, then you should get the answer 8,600. So we have added here 500. So if you total, you will get 8,600, which is the cash equivalent at the end of the year. Okay, at the end of the year, this is what they have. This is a work. This is in just note is given where 50,000 shares were issued when they have purchased 25,000 machinery, stock 20,000, and goodwill 5,000. Okay, I hope I have explained you in detail all those concepts. Go through the problem. Any doubts you can clarify. Thank you.